A professor injects venomous snake DNA straight into a volunteer's bloodstream. But just hours later, the volunteer's body undergoes a shocking transformation. Scales start spreading across his skin, and even his head begins morphing into something snake-like. The professor's expecting to witness a miracle when suddenly, the volunteer accidentally lets out a fart. That single fart completely ruins the professor's plan. The snake genes get released into the air, causing the entire experiment to crash and burn. In the end, the volunteer transforms into a terrifying, half-human, half-snake monster. Professor Will is absolutely devastated. This isn't what he wanted at all. His real goal was to turn the volunteer into a complete snake. The failed experiment leaves the professor furious. He orders his assistant to stuff the mutated volunteer into a crate and sells him dirt cheap to a struggling, nearly bankrupt circus. Surprisingly, this circus suddenly becomes incredibly popular. Ever since they got their Snake Man, audiences are lining up around the block, all coming to see this bizarre new act. But nobody realizes the truth about this Snake Man. He's actually a genetically modified human being. He desperately tries to cry out for help, but he can't say a single word. Meanwhile, Professor Will isn't ready to give up just yet. He starts hunting for his next test subject. This time, he tracks down his old friend, Dr. Dyson. Will lies, claiming his volunteer suddenly disappeared, and asks Dyson to help him find a replacement. Out of trust and friendship, Professor Dyson recommends his own student, Kobe. With a new test subject in hand, Professor Will immediately heads back to his lab. The professor behaved very warmly and friendly, and the innocent young man completely let his guard down. But Kobe has no idea this is the beginning of his nightmare.